Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Highlander radiator, only ways. Disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin. First, gather the correct radiator, hoses, clamps, coolant, and tools. Work on a cool engine and wear gloves and eye protection. Drain the radiator into a clean container and inspect the coolant for debris. Follow each step slowly and keep fasteners organized so reassembly is straightforward and predictable. Begin by removing trim panels and unplugging the radiator fan connector, taking care with wiring. Next, open the radiator cap and drain fluid into a container, then loosen hose clamps and remove hoses. Unbolt the mount brackets and any transmission cooler lines if present, catching any fluid. Lift the old radiator straight up to avoid bending fins, set it aside, and compare fittings to the new radiator for exact alignment before installing. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more useful tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading manuals and repair guides while you work, with a glare-free screen and long battery life. It's compact enough for the glove box and easy to read in bright light. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place the new radiator into position and secure all mounting brackets and rubber isolators. Reconnect the upper and lower hoses and tighten clamps evenly to prevent leaks. Attach the fan connector and any transmission cooler lines, then refill with the manufacturer-recommended coolant and top off to the correct level. Start the engine and run until warm, checking for leaks and topping off while the thermostat opens to fully bleed air from the system.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.